In this video, we want to generate the accounting and transfer to general ledger. So from the payables responsibility, we want to navigate to other, requests, run, and I want to select single request, and it's create accounting, create accounting. My ledger is going to be vision operations. Process category, I'll leave all, so that I'll do it for invoices, payments, and everything that is coming through. End date will be the 31st of December 2016. Mode final, errors only no. Report summary, let's do detail. Transfer to GL, and I want to post to GL as well. Batch name YO001, include user transaction identifiers as well. Click on OK and submit. Now you can see that this is using a layout, and the options is going to be an RTF, so that will be coming out as an RTF. We can change this to a PDF output. So when we look at the create accounting, we'll be able to see the report in a PDF output. Click on OK and submit. Submit another request, no. And let's view the request. View request, find, refresh data. So this is the accounting being generated and posted in GL. So it's still running. It's created the accounting, the journal has done the accounting program, done the journal import, is now posting the journal in general ledger and updating the sub-ledger balances. So let's have a look at the output for the create accounting, and this is the output for our create accounting, the PDF file. We can see that there's quite a few payments that has gone through. There's probably some other things on the system that hasn't been accounted for quite a while. So we've got the credit memo, we've got invoices, we've got payments and prepayments, and we can see this is all our invoices that we created earlier on for all the this is actually for the credit memo, and this is the tax on them. And then we have all the invoices for another party called Industrial Dressler, and we can see all the other invoices that have been accounted for coming through. So all these are now being posted into the general ledger. So let's refresh data, still posting. So journals are imported. We can go into GL and see them, or we can check the journals from our invoices to see whether the posting has gone through to GL or not, or even view the accounting from the accounts payable and receivable. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.